Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. This is Dylan with Tucson Future Classics, and that is our 2023 Desert Spec White over Light Gray Kia Niro EV. All right, so before I start walking around this second-gen Niro and telling you about the model as a whole, this particular one here has got 29,000 miles on it. It was a lease return coming down to us out of Clovis, California, just outside of Fresno up there in the Central Valley. This has the light gray interior, which was a not very commonly opted for option package on these. You had to special order that. This has 14 more miles of range than the previous generation Niro at 253. They got most of that through aerodynamic tricks like this. If you look behind there, you can just see light poking through, and I'll come around to this side. These, Hyundai and Kia call them the aero blades. It's a flying buttress. It fools the airflow into thinking the car is skinnier than it is. The new battery has better architecture and better cooling, meaning it is over 100 pounds lighter. It is skinnier to improve underbody airflow and aerodynamics, and it lets you charge faster as well, which I'll get into when I show you the charge port. A cool thing with the new architecture on this has a faster level 2 charger than the original ones. You can go from 0 to 100 in right around 7 hours, as opposed to between 9 and 10 hours with the previous ones. This will fast charge at roughly the same rate on a level 3 fast charger out there on the highway, and these with an adapter are compatible with Tesla's superchargers. And if you have to treat it like a cell phone, plug it in when you get home and run old school 120, no big deal. This is aerodynamic enough where you'll be able to get about 5 miles per hour of range accrual just charging off a regular old wall outlet. Backseat passengers get their own air vents back here, which push a good deal of wind through them. And you have USB-C fast chargers integrated in the back of both front seats. This actually changes with the time of day and the weather around you. So the clouds will change and so will the sky as you drive. And that little orange light right there is because the wireless charge port or wireless charging pad is currently charging my second phone down below. Oh man, instant EV torque makes merging very, very fun. There is remarkably little wind noise, especially out here at high-speed highway cruising. All those aerodynamic tweaks really make a difference in wind noise and buffeting, especially out here on the highway.